gray wash piece. And I have my one Neuma 4 set up for shading, smooth gray wash, which is the only one I change. And when I color pack, I change the cam in it. And then I've got my liner set up, and my liner I use with the round shader. And like, dude, it's fucking butter. I can push big needles, 45 mags, 11 round shaders, 11 bolds, 14 round shaders at a very low speed. The center of balance is important. Like, this thing feels like a coil in my hand right now as I'm tattooing. I've been using it 4 or 5 months and haven't even thought of having another machine, just because it's so efficient and everything that I need it for.